Hi guys, Saito here. I'm a new DJ streamer on Twitch, and yes, I'm already making a video to help people start streaming. Why I'm doing so is because I think a lot of videos have been made before COVID, or they've been made by streamers that's been doing that for such a long time, and I want to give you the point of view from a new streamer. I'm a DJ streamer, I love electronic music, but my real job is in IT. So yeah, I'm an IT geek. And what does an IT geek does before doing anything? It goes on Google or YouTube and search for anything they want to do and try to learn as much as they can. And most of the time what happens? Well, we start to watch other videos, funny videos, and we end up not doing anything. Beep, 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 beep. I've truly discovered Twitch about a month before I started streaming. Yep, I created my account around August 2022. As I never watched streaming before, one of my friends gave me a lot of information about it. And once I started watching it, I realized that there was a huge community about music and DJs. Since then, I realized that the music and the DJ community was absolutely amazing. And the community the community is amazing. In my next videos, I will try to share a lot of experience within the streaming and many other aspects of it, like the softwares, the equipment, and a lot more. For the time being, back on the main topic. How do you start streaming? Well, how do you start streaming? Just click that button, start streaming. All right, that's not the only thing. There's obviously a few things to cover. But what I'm trying to say here, don't hesitate too long. Seriously, jump in it, try it. I think the more you wait, the harder it is to start. It's not as easy as you think, and it's not for everyone. But it also is not difficult and doesn't require that much to start with. Keep in mind, it has to be fun, but it has to be fun for you. And that's the most important. If you don't have fun, you're not going to want to keep doing it. Some people are made to be behind the camera. Some people are made to be in front of the camera. You have to find it for yourself. If you don't press that start streaming button, you'll never know how it feels, how it is, how it works. If you are watching that video, it's because you're on YouTube right now and you're trying to find out how it works, or what to do, or what equipment you need to start. There is plenty of videos out there for what equipments or what is the best. I really want to focus on the basic here. So let's go for it. As I said, I am a DJ streamer, so my equipment is not the same as a gaming streamer would require. So let's keep it simple. If you want to start streaming, playing games, or entertainment, well, yes, entertainment, because as a streamer, you are an entertainer. And this is what you will do, and this is what you will need to grow your viewership. But back to the requirement. You will need a decent computer that will allow you to play your game and also to run the streaming software that you require. But don't forget, I said I want to keep it simple. So, a decent computer and probably a camera. What? Probably a camera? Yes, because you don't need a camera to start streaming. Seriously, it's only a good thing and it's just going to look better if you have a camera to start streaming. You're going to put your face on your gaming and it's just going to make you more relatable. So, a decent computer, maybe a camera, and maybe a microphone. But the microphone can be anything. If you have a gaming headset and you're using it already, you can just configure it to use it through the software and then you can use it as a microphone to stream. But seriously, apart from the computer, that's the only thing you really require. The camera and the microphone are just a nice to have and it's going to help you grow your viewership. Before investing tons and tons of cash into what people are telling you to buy online, just wait for it. Try it first. Don't waste too much time or money on something that maybe you're not going to enjoy. You will regret it in the end, and that's not what we want to do here. Obviously, if you don't have a camera or a microphone, there's not going to be much entertainment here, and it's pretty much the center of what a streaming is. But seriously, to start with, you don't even need it. The next thing you're going to need is going to be a software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs or Twitch Studio, or there is way more. Way more! But seriously, most people are using OBS Studios or Streamlabs. Don't forget, the ones that are the most used are going to be the ones that you're probably going to have the best help online. OBS Studio and Streamlabs are both free to start with. Next step, just go online, find some tutorial on how to configure them. It's not as scary as it looks. If we are lucky, well, maybe mine has been out now and you should find it right here. Otherwise, there's nothing, and I'm waving at nothing right now. Well, that's pretty much it. That's the only thing you need to start streaming. The last thing I want to talk about is the content and the aesthetic of what your stream looks like. As I said earlier, you become an entertainer. People are watching your gaming. Nowadays, it's not only about gaming. There is seriously everything on streaming platforms. What people want to see, they want to see real reaction or exaggerated reaction, but in the end, they want to be entertained. For a gaming streamer, I think the relationship you have with your streamer is what makes you a good entertainer. If you just play to play the game, there is hundreds and thousands of people already doing it. So I think you should either share your knowledge, share some tips, give some tricks while you're playing the game and showing your skills. Or you can simply just have fun while you're playing and sharing your experience about your wins and your losses with people. Make it fun and entertaining. Find a way to make yourself apart from others. As a DJ music streamer, your music choice or your DJ skills are not even that important. It's going to be the way you interact with your viewers that's going to set you apart from other streamers. When it comes to only listening to good music, you don't have to go watching stream for that. You just have to come on my channel here and you're going to be able to listen it at all time. Shameless self-promotion. With all the different kind of streaming there is now, people are going to watch you no matter what. As long as you make it entertaining and fun for them, and the most important, fun for you, they're going to come back. And the last but not the least, the look of your stream. The look of your channel is absolutely irrelevant at the beginning. If you try to copy another channel, people may see it and it's not going to be appreciated. And it won't make it original. Seriously, I started with basically nothing. You can see on my first stream, I just put my 2 monitors on my speakers and I just played Winamp with milk drop visualization. Once again, start your stream. You will slowly find what you want your channel to look like. If you don't start, you'll never find it. So don't put too many efforts and just gradually find what you like. So in the end, you now have a bit of knowledge on how to start streaming. Do it. Go for it. Press that button. Good luck. Start now.